Intel core. This is my second one, so the other one's really old. Get a sticky on that. So here we go. That's done. Beautiful, ain't she? All right.